Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can brighten video in Premiere Pro. So first you need to do is to open Premiere Pro, and here is the clip that I want to brighten. So first you add a clip, then you need to add an adjustment layer, and here you need to click on adjustment layer, click on OK, paste that onto the video, drag that to the video, and here you need to go on to the effects tab. You can use a shortcut that is Shift 7, and here you need to search for the lighting effect. Select that and paste that onto the adjustment layer, and then you need to click on effects control, scroll down here, and here you can see light 1, light 2, light 3 and 5. So I'm going to use first light 1. So here it is, you can see that it is spotlight. You can use directional or omni, so directional work fines. And here you can see the option of intensity and angle. So I want intensity this, so it looks more natural. So here you can see that, and this is the result of before and it is after. So this is the process how you can brighten video in Premiere Pro. I hope you like this video. Thank you, have a good day.